Benefits of Video Marketing for Growing Businesses 2021. In this video, we're gonna step through our top recommendations covering everything that you need to look out for when you're deciding which is the best video editing platform for you, and all the links to everything we mentioned in this video, you can find a link in the description box below. So let's jump into it. What is video marketing? It is an online marketing technique to promote your brand, products, or services with videos that convey the right message to your audience. The aim of using this technique is to improve your branding, achieving good customer engagement, and ultimately close a good number of sales. Video marketing is not a brand new concept. In fact, it has been around for a while. However, the availability of video marketing to more than just large companies is relatively new. As 2016 has been dubbed the year of video, with everyone, from individual influencers to large corporations, has started incorporating video clips promoting products, services, and more. As video marketing is still new in the business world, small businesses may feel skeptical about using videos as a marketing tool. In this particular video, we will show you how video marketing can help your small business, as well as all it brings to motivate and encourage you to include video into your marketing plan. Startups and small businesses can benefit from video marketing in multiple ways. How video marketing can help grow your small business? Video marketing has always been an effective way to target a specific audience. It started at the dawn of television, and it still is an excellent way to market your business in today's digital world. Videos in digital ads today are more relevant and catchy, and they can help boost your business in the following ways. People today have shorter attention spans and less patience than previous generations. They grew up in a time of instant gratification. If choosing between reading an article that will take at least 10 minutes or watching a 2-minute video about a product, most people will choose the video. That is how effective and impactful videos are. Here are a few of the best reasons that small business marketing is so important. 1. Improve your brand image. 2. Increase sales and revenue. 3. Allow for business growth. 4. Beat the local competition. 5. Target specific audiences with advertising. 6. Give the people what they want. 7. Rank higher in search. 8. Reach decision makers. 9. Using video shows you keep with the times. 10. Optimized videos are easily found by Google. With the right video editing software, you can create picture-perfect clips that are ready to share to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere else, with no unsightly watermarks or frustrating time limits. Finding the best video editing software may seem like a daunting task, but we are here to help. We've collated the best out there so you won't have to test every single video editor yourself, and also you can find the links in the description. So, read on to explore some of the best video editing software solutions that you can start using right now. 1. Promo. Promo makes the lofty claim that they are the world's marketing video maker. As its name suggests, Promo specializes in helping you make promotional videos. However, you can do much more than that. You can use Promo to make all types of videos. Horizontal videos, vertical videos, square videos, and even banner videos. The videos you create are ideal for social media use, and you can post, publish, upload, and share your videos on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, websites, or blogs, or any other social networks. 2. InVideo. InVideo is an online video editor. It's perfect for beginners or marketers that need to produce video content fast, without the knowledge of the finer details that go into highly edited and professionally produced videos. While it's online, it's still packed with features you'll appreciate. 3. Vietnamese. Vietnamese is a software tool that allows you to grow your business with video. Vietnamese can also help you generate more subscribers for your email list, run your entire content marketing strategy, increase your sales and make more money, sell your product, offer, or service, ramp up your visitors. 4. Wave.video is an online video editor that allows you to quickly create video content for social media. With the simple drag and drop interface, you can make videos effortlessly. It has over 30 video formats for every social media platform and over 200 million images, videos, and sounds. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.